Some places feel hidden, untouched by time. Mountains rise above the clouds, the wind moves through the trees, and the water rushes down the rocks, wild and free. The air is fresh, the sound of birds and falling water fills the valley. Sunlight cuts through the mist, makes everything feel almost unreal. How I got here? Well, let me explain. This is Dessie, my hometown. It's found in the northern part of Ethiopia. And this is me, my brother Nobel, and Robel, my friend. And yes, we almost have the same name, but let's save that for later. And we decided to go to this mysterious waterfall that my brother said he saw around a year ago. And I asked him if he could show me on a Google map, and he said it doesn't exist, but by the sound of it, it was a really magical place. So we decided to go and check it out for ourselves and get some drone shot, and it could also be a good hiking trip. So we drank our coffee here, and then we headed to the waterfall. On our way, before we started going up into the mountains, there was this big field full of crops, and since it was in the early morning, we could still see the fogs drifting around the field, and everything seemed peaceful, and we decided to get some drone shots here, and it just looked breathtaking. After this incredible view, we continued our journey passing through several small villages. And we walked for quite a while as the sun grew stronger and hotter. Eventually, we came across this giant tree, and I just had to test its strength, because why not? Finally, we started to hear the sound of the water. And could see it clearly. We met some locals there who told us we could climb higher to see two waterfalls at the same time, so we climbed further up the mountain.
We finally hit. Look at this. We literally had to go under a rock, go under. And then here we are.
And from there, everything looked perfect. I couldn't believe a place like this wasn't on the map and existed so close to my hometown without me knowing about it. I guess beauty is everywhere. We're just too lazy to look for it.
this fountain doesn't have a name, so we kind of have to come up with some random name. What do you see? You don't have any name for it. There's no name. Let's call it. Maybe the name should be. Yeah.
There you go.
I don't know how to write. Anyways, yeah. We'll try to come up with something. And I hope you guys enjoyed it.
And we took a lot of shots. We decided to name the waterfall. We asked the locals, who said it might be Malacho, though they weren't really sure. So we came up with our own name, Beloch. We created this name from taking the common sound from our name, Robel, Nobel. Maybe it was good after all to have names sounding the same. And we also registered the waterfall in Google Maps. Now it's there for everyone to see. And this is how I ended up here.